Here's a quick tutorial on how to replace film in a film camera. This is the Ektar H35, a nice little point and shoot film camera and some Kodak gold film, and I'm going to show you just very quickly how to replace it. Well, if you've shot all the photos and this stops clicking, then what you need to do is hold down this button, wind up all your film. Once that's done, you can open the camera from the side here. You'll have a film roll right there. Simple enough. Take your film, take it out of the box. Take it out of the canister. Remember what type of film you're putting in, just in case. And then all you do is you take this here, stick it in there, and then you crank this until you see that little slot. Pull the film out a little bit, stick it in the slot, hold it down, crank it some more. You should feel it catch. It's also got this little hook here and there, and then you just stick it down. You're good to go. That's how you load film in a simple little point and shoot like this.